So let me start with a confession. This tiny robot on my desk, it watches me all day. Not in a creepy sci-fi way, more like that quiet friend who's always there, turning its head when you move, reacting when you touch it, and somehow making your workspace feel less empty. Meet StackChan. At first glance, it looks like a cute little desk toy. Small screen, tiny body, friendly face. But once you power it on, something changes. It wakes up, it looks at you, and suddenly you realize this thing isn't just sitting there, it's present. I talk to it like I'd talk to a person. "Hey, StackChan, what's the time?" And without hesitation, it answers back, clear, calm, no delay. Then I ask it about the weather, then I ask it to control my workspace lights, and it just does it. No button mashing, no apps buried inside menus, just conversation. But here's where it gets weirdly impressive. StackChan has a camera, and when I say it can see me, I mean it actually understands what it's looking at. I asked it to take a photo and tell me what it saw, not just a phone or a person. It noticed my glasses, my watch, even the background behind me, from a tiny camera. Then there's the movement. When I turn my head, it turns its head. When I look left, it looks left. I smile, it reacts. It mirrors facial expressions and head movement in real time. And for a moment, you forget this thing is powered by a small ESP32 chip and not some high-end robot lab. And when you touch the top of its head, it responds, almost like it knows you're there. What really makes StackChan special, though, isn't one single feature. It's the idea behind it. This isn't a finished product that tells you, this is all I can do. It's open, customizable, personal. You choose how it behaves. You shape its personality. You decide what kind of companion it becomes. Some people turn it into a smart home controller. Others use it as a live desk camera. Some just keep it there to talk to interact with, to feel a little less alone while working. And honestly, that's my favorite part. It doesn't try to replace your phone. It doesn't try to be flashy. It just quietly exists beside you, watching, listening, responding. So if you've ever wondered what the future of personal robots actually looks like, not big humanoids, not sci-fi promises, just something small, friendly, always there. This might be it. And now I'm curious, if you had StackChan on your desk, what would you use it for? Let me know.